Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today we're trying out this Diffuser humidifier. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This thing seems pretty easy to fill and use. The top comes right off like this, and then there's the tank. You fill it up to the line with water, distilled water preferably. I'm also going to put in a drop or two of essential oils to give it a little scent, and then the mist will humidify the room and make it smell good. First, we're going to fill it up to the line, and I'm going to add a couple drops of my essential oil. All right, now we'll turn it on with the remote, and in just a second you'll see that the mist starts coming out the top, adding a little humidity and that peppermint scent to the room. I also, with this button, can set a timer, change the color. Ooh, I like that one, like a color changing deal. And I could change, so there's the color, the different settings. That one almost looks sound sensitive. That's pretty neat. Pretty cool. I had to turn the light off too, because in the dark this thing's even cooler. Check that out. It's like a little nightclub right there. That's awesome. I think I'm definitely going to leave this going. I approve of this because this is going to humidify this little room I'm in. And it smells better in here already. Alright, I definitely like this. And I'll see you guys next time.